These are the two brand new entry-level components from Marantz, the Model 70 integrated amplifier and the CD70 disc player. But if they're replacing the massively successful 6007 series, what has actually changed? Is it just a facelift, or is there genuine substance behind the new style? Hello, John from Peter Tyson, and we have an exclusive first look at the new major launch. And while I don't have the physical units here in the studio just yet, I can give you the complete technical breakdown on how Marantz is redefining their entry-level hi-fi. Marantz has completely discarded the old styling of the PM6007 and its matching CD player. Instead, they have brought down the gorgeous premium visual design language from their flagship ranges. It features that unmistakable full-width design, available in both black and silver gold finishes, looking far more expensive than it actually is. The real changes are inside. Starting with Model 70, under the top cover you get upgraded Class AB amplification, delivering a genuine 50 watts per channel into 8 ohms. It's driven by a massive toroidal transformer. Now, whilst 5 watts more than its predecessor sounds minor on paper, that beefier transformer means vastly superior current delivery and authoritative speaker control when the music demands it. However, the biggest updates focus on modern living room versatility. Alongside the brilliant addition of HDMI ARC, which lets you run your TV audio straight into your stereo setup and control it with your standard TV remote, Marantz has added a full pre-amplifier output section. This is a massive addition for system growth, meaning you can easily upgrade to a bigger external power amplifier down the line. They have also upgraded the internal modules to the premium SA3 HDAM variant. Now, if you're wondering what that means in English and real terms, it means Marantz avoids cheap off-the-shelf generic audio chips. Instead, they build their own custom high-speed mini circuit boards. And the practical benefit for you is a vastly faster response to sudden shifts in the music, which keeps complex tracks from sounding muddy and brings out that gorgeous clarity in vocals and mid-range detail. Add in upgraded two-way Bluetooth supporting high-resolution aptX adaptive streaming both in and out to wireless headphones. Vinyl lovers are well looked after too, via an exceptional built-in moving magnet phono stage. Sitting right alongside it is the matching CD70. To complement the amplifier upgrades, the CD player transitions to a high-performance ESS Sabre DAC chip. This replaces the older chip from the CD6007. In real world, because both units are now using the exact same digital brain, your entire system sings from the same hymn sheet, giving you a much cleaner, more balanced sound, whether you're spinning a disc or doing a bit of streaming. The physical build quality takes a major leap up from the predecessor too. Marantz has deployed premium copper hardware and rigid isolation feet inside the chassis to completely kill mechanical drive vibrations. Around the front, you get a versatile USB-A input that supports high-resolution files like FLAC HD and DSD, alongside a dedicated headphone amplifier that now features automatic headphone detection for a seamless switch to some private listening. As always, pricing and availability change, but this video can't, so I've put a direct link to the Peter Tyson website in the description below. Click through there to check out live pricing, full specifications, and to secure your order if you fancy one. Let me know what you think, as you always do. You can watch the latest video here, and you'll see me in the next video. Take care.